Hey guys, finally iQOO 12 series launched in China today. The iQOO 12 and iQOO 12 Pro. iQOO 12 Pro come with 6.78-inch 2K resolution Samsung E7 AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 2700 nits. And on the other hand, iQOO 12 also come with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution BOE OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. And the both phone also come with the latest flagship processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and Adreno 750 GPU with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage with Android 14 with Orange OS 4.0. And both phone also come with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel telephoto zoom lens, 3x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. And the font is come with 16 megapixel single selfie camera, 0.5x, 1x, 10x and 100x, and also reveal some iQOO 12 Pro more picture, and as you can see that all the picture quality is too good. iQOO 12 Pro powered by 5100 mAh battery and iQOO 12 is come with 5000 mAh battery, but both phone also support 120-watt fast charging. Both phone also come with stereo speaker and in-display fingerprint scanner. iQOO 12 Pro also come with IP68 rating. iQOO 12 starting price is 400 RMB and iQOO 12 Pro starting price is 5000 RMB. And the iQOO 12 series launched in India in 12 December 2023. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.